Ah, yes, it's December. Um, so if I remember correctly, Gorilla Tag is doing support a fellow monkey, and you know, I don't really like play Gorilla Tag in my videos, but I still do play it a lot, and I'm pretty sure they were asking for Christmas traditions, So like, I guess I'll give mine. So usually on Christmas, it's a very happy day. Nah. Okay, so usually wake up, run downstairs, look at all the presents because I'm a weirdo. And then wait for my Grammy because my Grammy. And we open presents and stockings and light the tree on fat now. So yeah, it's my traditions, and the monkey I'm gonna be supporting is Apple underscore GT. Now there are Apple underscore GTs, but I don't know how to describe his profile picture, but except it's like purple and pink and stuff like that. So, yeah, the reason I'm supporting him is because, well, I was at one of his giveaways, and I, won, and I really like his videos. Cool. He has a TikTok and YouTube channel. So, yeah, that's my reason. Please give me AA. Please, Gorilla. I need this. Ma, ma, my Timmy's kind of homeless. Nah, I'm joking. Okay, anyway, goodbye.